Hi everybody, it's Adam with HeartValveSurgery.com, and we're at the American Association for Thoracic Surgery Conference in Chicago, Illinois. I'm thrilled to be joined by Dr. Marc Gillinov, who is the chairman of cardiac surgery at the Cleveland Clinic. Dr. Gillinov, it is great to see you again, and thanks for being with me today.
My pleasure.
Yeah, so we're here at AATS getting a lot of good information on the management and treatment of valvular disease. We're also getting questions from patients coming at us from all over the world. We're getting a lot of questions about second opinions. Patients are curious, should I get a second opinion? If I do get a second opinion, will it potentially offend my doctors? What's your advice for patients who are thinking about a second opinion?
Easy. Get a second opinion. This is too important to just go with the first thing that seems reasonable. You don't go out and just buy a computer or buy a car. A lot of people spend more time looking at consumer products and trying to decide than who's going to be my heart surgeon, which operation will I have, where will I get it? This is really important stuff. And no doctor should be offended by a patient who is his or her own advocate and wants a second opinion. And many hospitals, like Cleveland Clinic and several others, have an automated way to do this, where you can just do it online, submit your records, and for a nominal charge, you get a second opinion. But it's definitely worth, I don't want to call it shopping around, but let's say it's worth looking around because you want this to be the most perfect treatment you can get for your heart.
Yeah, well, it's great advice. And as a patient, I can tell you for everybody out there, I got a second everything. Second echocardiogram, a second physician consult, and I was glad that I got consensus through that second opinion that my path for treatment was right on. So great advice, Dr. Gillinov, and on behalf of all the patients out there, thanks for everything you and your team are doing at the Cleveland Clinic.
My pleasure.
Hi everybody, it's Adam. I hope you enjoyed that video. And don't forget, you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel, watch the next 2 educational videos coming up on your screen, or click the blue button to visit HeartValveSurgery.com.